Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today I did this makeup look. I know you guys are probably like, you're not wearing any makeup, or it looks like you're not wearing makeup, but that's the whole purpose of this makeup look. I did this look. This is like a no makeup look for beginners. This look is pretty much for people who don't like to wear a lot of makeup. They're not into the foundation, the concealer with the setting powder, the eyeshadow, lashes, you know, like the really like concealed eyebrows, the lipstick, lip liner, bronzer, contour. You guys know how a full face is. At least I hope you guys do. This is a look that I like to do when I don't feel like wearing a full face. I don't do this look often just because I prefer a full face. I'm not gonna lie, I prefer a full face or no face, okay? So it just really depends on how I'm feeling that day. I might wake up and think, oh wow, my dark spots are very noticeable today, but I don't feel like wearing makeup. Let me just add a little bit of product to conceal my dark spots and I'll just be out the door. The things I used for this makeup look, gather them together. I used some clear lip gloss. You need clear lip gloss. If you don't have that in your makeup kit, what are you doing? Clear lip gloss is a must. You need to get some clear lip gloss. I got this from the beauty supply store. Y'all, normally clear lip gloss is like 99 cents to $1. It does not cost a lot to get some clear lip gloss. I used the MAC foundation powder. You can use a foundation powder or a pressed powder. For my brows, I used the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint Pen, and I also used this clear brow gel from e.l.f. I also used two Morphe brushes, and I used my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I've had this mascara for years. This is a staple product. I keep buying this mascara because that's how much I love it. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this mascara. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next clip. Right now, I have nothing on my face, nada, nothing. Like, this is my skin. This is how I wake up in the morning. Cute, honey, cute, glowing. Like, okay, let me stop. I like to start off with my eyebrows. As you guys can see, well, maybe y'all can't see, but my eyebrows are very light. I'll zoom in and let you guys really see my eyebrows. They are extremely light, you guys. So they are there, but the eyebrow hairs are extremely light. So sometimes it looks like I don't have any eyebrows. Like, from far away, if I'm not wearing any makeup, it literally looks like I have no eyebrows. So one thing I like to do to just correct that is use my e.l.f. clear eyebrow gel and also my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint Pen. So we're gonna start off with my brow gel. What I like to do is just comb them up. Next thing I'm going to be using for my eyebrows is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint Pen. On one side, there's a sponge tip that has tint powder, and on the other side, it's a marker tip that you can use to create hair-like strokes. I'm holding the pen like this, so I'm not doing it directly like this, if that makes sense. I'm literally just gliding it across my eyebrow. And I'm only trying to get this on my eyebrow hairs. Do you guys see the difference? I'm just taking my finger, and wherever I see like tint powder that's on my skin, I'm just trying to wipe it off. As you guys can see, I have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, black spots, whatever you guys want to call it, but mostly on the sides of my face. So like for today, I would actually skip this step because I have hair that covers the sides of my face, but I'm just going to show you guys what I would do if I didn't have hair that's covering the side of my face. This step is optional. If you have clear skin, you can skip this step. I'm going to be using my MAC foundation powder in the shade NW58. I'm going to start applying it to my dark spots. And I'm going to keep doing this until my dark spots are covered up. Not completely, but covered up enough to where I feel like it looks fine. It's really just this dark spot right here in the middle that really bothers me, I guess. So I'm just gonna take the brush and conceal. The middle of my face is fine. I don't have any dark circles. I don't really have any dark spots right here. So I'm actually gonna leave like the middle, the center of my face alone. I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette. I highly recommend y'all to get this palette if you don't have it already. You can literally create so many looks. You can create a black smoky eye, a brown smoky eye, a whole bunch of bright summer looks, a whole bunch of fall summer looks. This is like 3 palettes in one. Definitely worth the money. It's actually not even that expensive. I think this palette was $39 and they have a smaller version of this palette for I think $25 or something like that. I'm going to be using some black eyeshadow. With the black eyeshadow, I'm going to be outlining my lash line. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the color Very Black. Oh, in the color Black is Black, my bad. I'm just going to take this mascara and apply it to my lashes. My lashes are just very light, so they blend in with my skin tone as well as my eyebrows. Like, those are just 2 things that you would literally have to see me in person close up to see my lashes and my eyebrows. Like, my lashes aren't short, they're not super long, but they're there. They're just not there when I don't have any product on them. First, I'm just going to tuck my hair behind my ear so y'all can see my lashes. I'm going to comb my eyelashes down with this mascara wand. And then I'm gonna comb it back up. Black eyeshadow, outlining my lash line. The reason I'm doing this is to make my lashes look fuller. For my lips, I already have it on, but I'm using this clear lip gloss I got from the beauty supply store for $1. And I just like to put that on my lips. Wow, you guys, we are done. That was very, very quick. This is my no makeup look for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will link all of the products I used in my description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.